Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode of Heidi Cooks Plants. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really refreshing summer drink, milkshake, plant-based milkshake actually. This one was inspired by Chef AJ. It's her famous date shake, and this is going to be my version of it. So I'm going to show you all the ingredients and we'll get started in just a second. Just take an ice cube tray. I've got these great silicone ones. I've got some extra coffee that I left from this morning and it's cold. And just fill your ice cube trays and pop them in your freezer. And when they're done, put them in a Ziploc bag and it's ready whenever you need some ice cubes to make your date shake. We are ready to enjoy this chocolatey coffee delicious date shake. So I've got this nice pretty glass. Pour some in. See how rich and thick that looks? Beautiful chocolate color. And there is enough for 2 shakes, so you have to share. Put a pretty straw in there. So thanks for watching today, and cheers. See you next time.